Hi, and welcome to Nature Glow Over 50. Today's session is all about gently lifting the eyes and brightening the upper face. As we move through each point, breathe in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth. Every touch is slow, intentional, and nourishing. If it feels good, allow your eyes to softly close as we begin. Rub your hands together for about 5 seconds to warm them. Feel the warmth and readiness in your fingertips as you prepare to touch the delicate eye area. Place your thumbs under the brow bone, starting near the inner corners of your eyebrows. As you breathe in through your nose, gently lift the brow upward. As you breathe out through your mouth, soften the pressure and release. Slowly move your thumbs outward along the brow bone, repeating this lift and release. This movement helps awaken sleepy eyes and counteract heaviness in the upper lids. Using your ring fingers, gently tap along the upper eyelid, starting from the inner corner and moving outward. Keep the pressure very light. Inhale as you tap across the lid. Exhale as you return to the center. This stimulates circulation and brings lightness and openness to the eyes. Place your fingertips at the outer corners of your eyes. As you breathe in, gently stretch the skin slightly outward and upward. As you breathe out, release completely. Repeat this motion slowly, allowing the tension around the eyes to melt away. This helps soften crow's feet and lifts the outer eye area. Move your fingertips to your temples. Press gently as you breathe in, feeling the skin lift upward. Exhale and massage in small, slow circles. This area holds a lot of tension. Allow your breath to guide release, bringing calm to your eyes and mind. Place your ring fingers under the eyes near the inner corners. As you exhale, glide gently outward toward the temples. Lift your fingers and return softly to the center. Repeat this slow sweep 4 times. This increases lymphatic drainage, reduces puffiness, and leaves the eyes looking brighter and refreshed. Take one final deep breath in through your nose and a long, slow exhale through your mouth. Gently open your eyes and notice how your gaze feels lighter, more open and relaxed. This is your natural eye lift. achieved through mindful touch and breath. Thank you for sharing this moment with me. Remember, consistency and gentleness are the secret to lasting glow.